Trust me, with the right strategy, you can earn money on social media with any of your views. Is it 5 views? Is it 10? Is it 20? 1,000. So you can look here. This is 11 views, but these 11 views have earned, can you believe this? So wait a minute. Let's dive in and see. Let's dive in and see. Let's toast to the most amazing passive income venture. Let's toast it. Cheers. This is for you who has devoted your time online in terms of making money, in terms of building a brand, in terms of being productive. Cheers to you. And cheers to the best niches, to the best RPM. Cheers. So you've been deceived. Most of you think if you don't have 1,000 and above, if you don't have millions of followers, if you're not going viral, you cannot earn money on social media. That's a pure lie. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm earning from 11 views on YouTube. And when we are talking about YouTube, you should also be thinking about Facebook, about any social media platform that you're on, because this social media on YouTube, it is RPM, it is CPM. On Facebook, it is earning power. Still, it will be almost the same. It's only the terms that differ. You guys, as you can go and check in our previous videos, we are talking about the highest niches that make you earn money very well without struggle on social media, provided you know the notes where to touch. However, you can be in any other platform, in any other niche, not the niches that are very competitive. Still, you earn if you also know how to turn those competitive niches or topics into less competitive. So today I'm going to use my dashboard, and I'm going to also use my channel. One of it is just a previous video to show you that you should not give up. Most of you have gone to the extent of giving up. You are like, but they are lying us. I have millions of views. I'm breaking down, or I want to remove the narrative, the mindset of people who are like, no, that one has no views. That one, no, people, internet ya mugana, something like that. People are running after views, but views don't pay. Come on. So before we dive in, you guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not saying that the moment you see what I got, you're also going to get money in 11 views. You might not get them. Me, I'm giving you tips. I'm giving it has terms and conditions. So I give you tips of what the few people have used. I'm happy to see everybody is coming up, making podcasts, making YouTube, making blogs, making website. What is your intention? How are you starting? That one matters. So this is a disclaimer. This is an educational video. Then you guys, can I say cheers to my most engagers, the people that make me come every day, my top engagers on all social media platforms. I love you so much. God bless you all. Let's dive in. I'm going to be showing you now our limit. Let's stand there. Let's stand and say exactly what should we do? Oh, what did I do? Let's analyze this video. It's not to show you. I'm not here to brag. I know there are some of you with millions of views and you cannot get even $1. But I want us to be like, to get some understanding. Let's dive in. So here we are. This is our video that we're going to be looking at. This video, it started earning at 11 views. And this 11 views, estimated revenue was at 0.15. And if we come here, we find our RPM, that is RPM, it's like a money that is being paid per 1,000 views is 13.55. but advertisers paid 11.35. Advertisers are even, they paid less, but surprisingly, you can see RPM is high at 13.55, which let's see this video. Which one is this video? Which one are we talking about? We are talking about a video. I'm trying to get for you a pen that is, it will not scratch the screen. This is the video you can see. It is titled Facebook New 2026 Earning Rules. Do this now to earn daily. If you look at this, the video has just been posted one day before, and when it was posted, you know, for the video to start earning, they count every after something like, is it 12 or 40 of 12 hours? So the first hours matter a lot. And the video has 40 something. The video has 65 views. Yes, you can see it here. This is where the video is. The video has 65. And if you go to see the ranking by views, it is ranking in the 4th position out of 10. It has 65 views as I recorded this video. Average view duration was not that good. It is 3.27. And the total video, it is okay because the total video is 7.2. So the video was watched a half, but because it at least for you to be okay, it would have been like 5 and above. So let's see exactly what made this video score. Imagine 11 views and they are paying it up to 0 point something. Let's start here and continue. Now we'll see what is inside there. If you go to see this video, you go to see that it has a watch time of 3.7, as in every hour. As to average, people are watching up to 3.7. It has not gotten subscribers, by the way. You can see it got only 0 subscribers. And out of 11, now it has 0.29. If I touch there on 0.29, let's see what it is showing at. 0.29, can you imagine, in those 11 views is something that is very great. And when you go to see, what do you think? This is where we want to concentrate now. Why do you think it scored 0 point something and above at 11 views? It's because the type of niche, that is one, I always tell you. Two, it's the way we optimized the data, the metadata. What is the metadata? The metadata, we have the thumbnail. This is the thumbnail, the door that invites you to come and check. Then in the metadata, we have also the title. It is very important because daily pay, how it works, you see the way the thumbnail is, then come here. They are known, and the hashtag, they match along. Then when you come to the description is also perfect, by the way, because let's go and check. I don't want to make this video very long. I wanted to make it short. Only that the major objective of me bringing for you this video is to show you that at any given views you score, you will earn money. The only thing you need to know, how do I turn my views, whether they are many or they are very few, into money. Because some of you may be having a lot of views but without money, and others having very few views. So the first thing you need to know is about the niche. The second is about optimization, that is optimizing your data, because this niche, every time if someone is going to give, for example, to pay for advert, it depends on the product you're giving. So the product we give is very expensive. Then you talk about the longevity of the video.